freedom of religion is provided under Article 11 of the Federal Constitution, says the Malaysian Buddhist Consultative Council. It is fundamental liberty of each and every Malaysian citizen, which makes it clear that the individual's right to profess and practice his religion is safeguarded, they said in a press statement on Thursday. They were voicing their concern after Deputy Minister in the Prime Minister's Department Ahmad Marzuki Shari said that 4 new Syariah laws are being drafted by the government included a bill on control and restrictions on the development of non-Muslim religions. MBCC said this has created feelings of unease and even trepidation as it could lead to the deterioration of non-Muslims' rights to freedom of religion as enshrined in the federal constitution. It ironically contradicts YAB Prime Minister Datuk Seri Ismail Sabri Yaakob's concept of Keluarga Malaysia that he propagated in his inaugural speech upon taking office, they said. They however noted that Minister in the Prime Minister's Department Datuk Seri Wan Junaidi Tuanku Jaafar had said no proposal to enact a law to restrict or control the development of non-Muslim religions had been brought to the cabinet. MBCC said that an individual's right to profess and practice their religion was further reinforced in Clause 4 of the Federal Constitution, which clearly stated that federal law could only control or restrict the propagation of any religious doctrine or belief among persons professing the religion of Islam. They added that even in the event all the states came to a consensus, no law should be proposed to restrict or control the development of non-Muslim religions, as this was in accordance with List 2 of 9th Schedule in the Federal Constitution, where the jurisdiction of state governments was only limited to Islamic law and personal and family law of persons professing the religion of Islam but not the non-Muslim religion. It must be underlined that the right of freedom of religion is so fundamental and no law which is inconsistent with such provision can be passed even during the proclamation of emergency, they said. They also called upon the Prime Minister to clarify the contradictions by members of his cabinet and put to rest the confusion and the unease and worries that go against the grain of his Keluarga Malaysia that he has envisioned for Malaysia. May the wisdom of the Prime Minister shine through his leadership for the Keluarga Malaysia concept to be fully implemented at all levels. May his administration be exemplary in its commitment to uphold the fundamental rights of every citizen provided by the Federal Constitution, they said.